Let me hold you one last time. Let me hold you one last time. Let me hold you one last time.
Put your lips against mine, boy.